kids, welcome back. Let's learn small ABC today from A to Z with colors. Navy blue color, red color, yellow color, orange color, blue color, peacock color, green color, pink color, purple color. Let's start. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for girl. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for toy. U for umbrella. V for van. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V X Y Z. This was super easy, children. So keep learning and like, share, subscribe. Till then, bye bye. Take care.